Hello, wonderful people. This is Beader, and I'm Caitlin, if you don't know me already. And today we're going to be doing a super fun project. Actually, this project's going to be over the next couple of weeks. We're going to do another jewelry set. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I already have a pearl jewelry set out. So now we're going to do a lava rock jewelry set. I am so excited about this project. Lava rocks are so cool. So if you don't know, lava rocks are little brown stones. Here's a couple pictures, and they are what happens when magma from a volcano, lava, when it cools, it makes these rocks, and they're very porous, so they're good for a lot of really cool things. They're used in a lot of landscaping, lots of like fish tanks and things like that. They have a lot of minerals and things that are really awesome because they're, it's essentially straight from the earth with the lava and the volcanoes. But the other thing that people use them for is jewelry. Because since they're porous, you can put essential oils on them and they kind of hold that essential oil and release the smell throughout the day. And a lot of people really love that. So we're going to make earrings. And then in a couple weeks, we're going to make a bracelet. A couple weeks after that, we're going to make a necklace. So you're going to have a whole lava rock jewelry set by the time we're done, which is just going to be so much fun. And they look beautiful. So even if you don't use them for their, essential oil purposes, they look gorgeous and they're just fun to wear. And all of this lava rock fun is only possible because of my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. They're the ones who have supplied me with everything that we're going to be using over the next couple of weeks, including our lovely lava rocks. So be sure to check out their website. Link is in the description box below. And check out my website. There's lots of fun little goodies on there, other projects and things, as well as the step-out instructions and links to the exact materials that I use in my videos. So you can go there and just a couple clicks and you'll have the exact lava rocks that I'm using. And please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That way you can get that notification as soon as part 2 of lava rocks comes out in a couple of weeks. So let's jump in and get started today. Step 1, you're going to gather all of your supplies and your materials. Today's earrings only need a few things. You're going to need earring loops, head pins, small crystal, a little bit bigger crystal beads that are oval and flat, our lava rocks, of course, and then you only need snippers and round nose pliers. Step 2. First thing that we're going to do is make our drops. You're going to take your head pin, you're going to slide on your small crystal quartz bead, then one of your lava rocks, then one of your larger crystal quartz beads. So your drop is going to look like this. Now, like we've done many times here before, we're going to make our loop. You're going to take your round nose pliers, make a 90-degree angle, somewhere between 90 and 45. That's a little bit more like 45, but that's okay. Then you're going to take your snippers and snip off the excess. Now you're going to take your round nose pliers, put them on the end, and spin it back around. And there you have a loop. Now we can just take this guy and straighten the wire out a little bit. And you're going to repeat this whole process for your second drop. Now that we have both of our earring drops, it's time for step 3. We are going to add our drops to our earring loops. So you're going to grab one of your earring loops and open it up. Slide your drop on and then close. And you're going to do that one more time. So take your earring loop, open it up, slide your drop on, and close. And there we have 2 super fun lava rock earrings. And in just a couple of steps, you have some beautiful lava rock earrings. I think that the quartz just really complements, the clear quartz complements the black of the lava rock in a really beautiful way. You could also use silver beads or really any color that you like, but I think that like crystal color and the black just make it really pop, which is really fun. But I hope that you had the most fun on this project with me today. Please be sure to like and subscribe. That way you can join me in a couple of weeks for part 2 when we're gonna make our bracelet, and then in a couple more weeks, part 3 when we make our necklace, and then you'll have a full set, which is always just so fun when you get to you don't have to think about it, you just put on your whole set and then you're ready to go. Also, please be sure to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and my website. Links for both of those are in the description box below. I hope you enjoy your new lava rock earrings, and I will see you in the next one.